Right, I'm going to talk you into signing up for Zoho CRM's free training, and then we're going to show you links to the full training where you can get started. But at the moment, what we're going to do is sign you up to get you started, and then we're going to tag me as your partner as a second part, just so that it helps pay for my free training, and it helps if you don't pay anything. It also helps show Zoho just how many people I'm helping out within my free training, right? So you've got two options here when you sign up. You've got the Zoho.com free trial sign up link and the Zoho.eu. If you're in Europe, you're going to want to do the Zoho.eu because of GDPR rights and some of the laws in Europe. You want to be signing up via here. Outside of Europe, click Zoho.com. Right, you're going to click that link, which is going to take you to Zoho CRM sign up page. Now, all you've got to do to sign up: full name, Paul Nicholson, your email, Paul 21. I just put the time in just because I've done so many sign-ups that I don't I can't keep using my email, right? So password, add a password. So we're just proving that you're not going to be putting any any sort of codes in here. I would like to receive marketing. It's up to you whether you tick that. I agree to the terms of service and get started, right? So that's as easy as you need to do to start. It's going to probably open a box up and ask you what time zone you're in, company name. This changes all the time, so it may change a little bit, but it'll be quite intuitive as you do it. Your currently time zone is Central Europe. Load sample data. It's up to you whether you want to load sample data where you want to populate and play around first. It may be a good idea to do that or not. It's up to you, and you can change your time zone later. So it's up to you whether you click this or not. I'll leave it clicked because I'll show you within training how to remove it anyway, but get started. The website wants to send you alerts. If you want some little pop-ups, then you can or not. I'm not a big fan of the pop-up notifications. So that's how to sign up. Really easy, whether you're doing the Zoho.com or Zoho.eu. Now you're all signed up, and we're going to go back to training for everything that's coming next, right? So the second part of sign up, let's go back and close a few windows. So if you come back to training now after you've signed up, so here you are, you've signed up, come back to this link, and the next thing, all I ask you to do to tag me as a Zoho partner is click the link next to what you signed up as. Click here. In fact, it signed me up as Zoho.eu, didn't it? So let me go back to here and go. So whichever one you signed up for, .com or .eu, click the relevant tag as a partner. And then all you've got to do is, tag your partner Happy Me, which is my company. You can do a meeting as well. It's up to you. Tag your partner. Are you happy? And proceed. Mapping. There you go, partner assigned. When you close it, it'll say now Happy Me Limited. So you've signed up for Zoho, you've tagged me at Zoho.com, or you've signed up for Zoho.eu and you've tagged me at Zoho.eu. It is a bit funky that they're two separate places, but that really helps me. As I say, let Zoho know that I'm helping a lot of their customers. And if you eventually move to a paid version of Zoho CRM, I do get a little bit of a commission for signing you up. Now what you want to do is go into the training links. Go to my courses, and then click full training or the free training, free version. You might want to click here, but you can click here and you can begin your Zoho training that will then help you up. So you're all signed up, you're ready to go. You haven't put a credit card in, and you're ready to fly with Zoho CRM. Any questions? As you know, leave a comment here in the lecture for sign up or for sign up if you got any problems. Right, or my dedicated Zoho forum, click in there, or just start the training and ask questions. And if you've got any issues, click the support button up here and you can send me a direct email. Thanks for signing up for Zoho CRM. Thanks for tagging me as your authorized partner. I hope we're both going to excel together and learn as much as we can to get you flying with Zoho CRM. Cheers.